Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to connect your S8 Ultra Max smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel, and yes guys, I'm gonna show you a very quick tutorial on how to connect your S8 Ultra Max smartwatch to your smartphone. I got this comment from one of our subscribers here in our channel, and I'm gonna show you a very quick tutorial on how to do that. So here in our watch, so we can scroll all the way to the bottom, and then we have here the QR code. So it says here QR code, and then this application is actually what we called as the Harifine application. So look at this one guys. So let's tap on install. Alright, and then after that we are going to tap on open. Okay, let's tap on allow, and I'm gonna give you a close-up look guys. So it says there, just tap on agree and tap on allow. Everything is allowed guys, and then at the bottom we have here log in directly, so for your security purposes, and then you will be given like a temporary account and password. So let's just tap on confirm. Okay, you can put your nickname, so let's say I don't know, just like that, and tap on confirm. Okay, so why keep Harifine running on the background? Then just you can ignore that one later on. And then we have here me, and then tap on search device. So in the process of use, this application needs to access location, so tap on allow, and then you go to your Harifine application, and you're going to tap on location, tap on the permission there, and then we have here location, and tap on allow only while using the app. Okay, and tap and back. Okay, and then let's go back to search device. Okay, and there you go, and then guys, we have here tap on watch, and it says their device connected successfully. So let's tap on device settings. Okay, let's tap on find my watch. Alright, so as you can see guys, our S8 Ultra Max, it's already detecting, yes, or giving us the notification. Okay, it's just very easy guys. Download Harifine and make sure to follow the instruction, or you can watch this video again. So guys, once again, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.